In this problem, we're going to solve this system algebraically and write the answers in order of pair. So we got 9x plus 8y is equal to 36, and negative 3x minus 4y is equal to negative 24. Now I'm going to show the addition method, the elimination method first. And for that to work, you're going to add together these equations, but these have to be, if this is a positive 8, this needs to be a negative 8. They have to be the same number, different signs. So that when you add them, they give you 0. Well, I'll multiply this second equation by 2. So we got 9x plus 8y is equal to 36. 2 times negative 3 gives us negative 6x. 2 times negative 4 gives us negative 8y. And 2 times negative 24 gives us negative 48. Now when I add these, 9x minus 6x is 3x. 8y minus 8y drops away. 36 minus 48 is negative 12. Now, our y's were eliminated. That's why some books call it the elimination method, but we also added it. That's why some books call it the addition method. That's your goal, is to get one of your variables to disappear. Now we're left with this. We'll divide both sides by 3, and you get x is equal to negative 4. Now we want to plug that back into one of our equations and solve for y. Doesn't matter which one. I'll pick the first one. We got 9x plus 8y is equal to 36. And we just said that x is negative 4, so I got 9 times negative 4 plus 8y is equal to 36. 9 times negative 4 is negative 36, plus 8y is equal to 36. Take the negative 36 to the right side and it becomes a positive 36. And we got 8y is equal to 72. Divide both sides by 8. And we get y is equal to 9. So our answer will be negative 4, 9. Okay, let me just double check that real quick. That's 12 minus 36. Okay, that's negative 36 plus 72. Okay, that's the addition method, elimination method. Let's take a look at the substitution method. We've got 9x plus 8y is equal to 36. Negative 3x minus 4y is equal to negative 24. Now it doesn't specify which method to use, so it's kind of your choice. Some methods are easier. If your x's and y's are already on one side and then equals the number, then the addition method is probably going to be your best bet. If your variable is already solved, or one of your equations is already solved for one of the variables, then the substitution is your best. Substitution is not the best on this one, but let me go ahead and do it anyway. Okay, step 1. You pick one of the equations and solve for one of the variables. I'll pick the second one. So I got negative 3x minus 4y is equal to negative 24. And I'm going to solve it for y. So I take the negative 4y over to the right side, negative 24 to the left side. So I got negative 3x plus 24 is equal to 4y. Divide everything by 4. So we got negative 3/4 x plus 24 divided by 4 is equal to 4 divided by 4y, which gives us negative 3/4 x plus 6 is equal to y. Now our second step, we want to plug what we just found into the other equation. So we've got 9x plus 8y is equal to 36. And we just said y is equal to this. So where the y is, we're going to put in negative 3/4 x plus 6. Okay, distributive property. 8 times negative 3 is negative 24, divided by 4 is negative 6x. 8 times 6 is 48, equals 36. 9x minus 6x is 3x. Take the 48 to the right side and becomes a negative 48. 36 minus 48 is negative 12. And then divide both sides by 3. And we end up with x is equal to negative 4. You then want to plug that back into one of your equations. Doesn't matter which one, whichever one looks easier to you. I'll plug it into the second one. I'll do the first one. 9x plus 8y is equal to 36. We just said x is negative 4. So I got 9 times negative 4 plus 8y is equal to 36. 9 times negative 4 is negative 36, plus 8y is equal to 36. Take the negative 36 to the right side, and it becomes a positive 36. 36 plus 36 is 72. Divide both sides by 8. And we end up with y is equal to 9. So our answer would be negative 4, 9. This showed you not only how to do it with the addition method, but also with the substitution method.